Hi Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How y'all doing today? Today is a continuation of the haul that I was doing from that box that I had opened up from Hadrian. But today, I think it's the Coach bag. This feels like it could be the Coach bag because there was like 4 or 5 things in there. So this feels like this could be the Coach bag. And if you have not done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. 1010 is my goal. My goal is 1010. I like to have a buffer. 1,000 subscribers is what you need, but I'd like to have extra, you know, in case somebody gets mad at me and they unsubscribe, or somebody subscribed accidentally, or somebody accidentally gets unsubscribed. You know, I don't want to go under the threshold. So I want to make sure that I have enough subscribers before I celebrate. Oh, looky! That is so cute. So cute. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh, I was correct. Oh my goodness, I was correct. Okay, so this is a Coach video. This is a Coach unboxing video for sure. Your Coach enthusiasts probably will know for sure. But oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. This is why I fell in love with the bag. That is, and I love that it's a top handle. I don't know anything about this bag. Oh, he even covered the tag. Look at that. It's just like coming from the store. Look at that. I have just been kind of loving the all shades of pink. All shades of pink kind of right now. Peachy pink, maybe a peachy pink. Let me get the name of the bag for y'all. Hold on. Okay, found it. What he called it was the Coach Butterfly Parker top handle in pink leather with gold hardware. Yeah, so the butterflies are what I fell in love with. Just gorgeous. Look at that. So it's a Parker top handle bag. The side. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here is the bottom. Here is the top. Hadrian's price was $140. And like I said, I fell in love with it. It's a turn lock right here. It's a turn lock. You open it up. Here is the crossbody. He does have it stuffed as well. Let me take this out. It has this beautiful, beautiful suede. It's like, oh, like a mauve purple suede. It's really soft. It's really good condition. It smells delicious. It smells like leather. It has this gorgeous, I hope you can see it. It has this gorgeous, what's it called? The patch. Let me see if no, it doesn't come out. The story patch, it's just beautiful. It has this gold zipper pocket here. The gold zipper pocket here. It has 2 compartments. Here is the bigger compartment here that has the zipper in it, and then here's a smaller compartment here. The front and the bigger part, there is a pocket right here. So let's see. Okay, so here is the cell phone. I have a iPhone 14 Pro Max Plus. It's a 14, the bigger one. So it fits right in here in the pocket. Plenty of room. It also fits in this, let's see if it fits in this front one. Yes, it fits in this front one. So I might probably would keep it in there. That way I could still have this open, and then I could just grab it easily if I keep it on the inside of it. We also have the outer pocket back here. So if I wanted to keep it here, and I'm okay with holding it like that, you know, for a limited time, you know, like if I'm in the car, or if I'm, you know, just somewhere out where I need to grab the phone really quick, then I would keep it in there. If I was, you know, traveling or shopping, you know, for a long period of time and I didn't think I would need my phone, I would probably keep it in here, and it would be easy to grab. to grab that way. Let's see about the chain. I think it's a chain. Look, see, double wrapped. Gorgeous. It is adjustable, and of course it's removable. So let's see. I'm going to move this to the last the last setting, so that I can see how it looks crossbody on me. So I'm not sure how it's going to fit crossbody, but I can definitely entertain some extenders on here. So it has back here, it looks like back here is where it's at. I wonder how that's going to be, but I haven't had a bag that's like that. Okay, so you know, here it is if it would be a shoulder bag, and let me see how it'd be for a crossbody. Oh yeah, okay. This doesn't really go all the way down. Well, there, it could go down right there. I like to wear mine right here, is where on this kind of slide to the front. It makes me feel more secure, and that's kind of where I wear my bags. And that's actually, it's actually just a teeny tiny bit too high from where I normally wear them. I just wear it just a little bit, like maybe half an inch lower, probably, because here's my hip, so I just kind of try to get it a little bit lower, but I could definitely live with that. So I wouldn't need a extenders for this. And it'll definitely, it has plenty of settings to where if I wanted to wear it as a shoulder bag, I can. But it's just, I definitely would love to get a charm to match the bag with, and the butterflies to add to it. But you know, we'll see what else I can come up with. So once again, this is the Coach Butterfly Parker top handle in pink leather with gold hardware. And I purchased it from It's Hadrian's YouTube channel. This is one of those also too, I was already in the, you know, in the savings mode, trying to save for my trips, and it's like all of these purchases, I was like, you are killing me, Hadrian, you're killing me. It's hard to say no to all of these. But this was one I said, okay, nobody was buying it. I was like, why are y'all not buying it? So I had to have it because it's so beautiful. These are the kind of Coach items that I like. I don't know, I'm assuming that it's from the boutique side because of the butterflies, but I could be wrong. Y'all can tell me. But I believe it's a boutique bag, but I don't know. Who knows? I bought it anyway because I love it. I love it. All right, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for joining me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.